guys? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Norfans again. We are now here in BGC. Yes, this is BGC in Taguig, Metro Manila. Yeah, guys. So ito po yung pinakamalinis na napakagandang city ngayon dito sa Metro Manila. West BGC is famous now in the foreign people visiting here in Manila. Yan, guys. So anyway, guys, I will show you a BGC. Yes, we will go to the new place here in BGC for the Korean restaurants called BBQ chicken. Yes, this restaurant chicken is famous from the artists of the Korea. So anyway, I will show you the let's go, guys. Bye.